Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see how much time you spend on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit until you find battery, and right here you can check how much time each individual app takes on your device. You can hit right here at show activity to see the exact time, and also right here you can switch between last 24 hours or last 10 days in that simple way. Then you can scroll down and right here you can see how much time on average you spend in each of these apps. Right here I can easily find Instagram. I can see that for the last 10 days I have spent 3 hours and 3 minutes on Instagram, 2 hours and 54 minutes on screen, and 10 minutes on the background. And in the same way you can scroll down and check the amount of time that you spend in each particular app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.